our gear. Where are we going today?
Camping!
Yay! Where are we going?
I got 2 stickers.
All right. And where are we going to be camping? Do you remember?
Stony Brook.
All right. And today is June 2nd. It's a little bit chilly today, but it's been really hot, like 90s for the past 2 weeks.
Or it could be 100s.
Well, you never know. We got all of our gear, and we got Susie in the back. And Papa's riding his new Himalayan. He's getting ready to go.
Ready and ready.
There he is. Anything to say?
Safe riding.
Safe riding for everyone. And happy camping. You gotta sit down, my friend. No, it's not. It's good. Okay, dig in. Oh, what's been your favorite part about camping?
Having s'mores.
Having s'mores? What do you think Susie's favorite part was?
Nothing.
Nothing. How about the hike?
No.
Yes. We got a beautiful morning fire going.
And we have a stove going.
We have a stove. We've got the French press. Got our breakfast still sitting. Yummy.